Yo, boss, give me a thing and make sure nothing happen to your car. No dog, no piss on it, no bird, no shit on it, not even a fly pitch on it. So why you screw up your face like you don't want to give me nothing? You something up to your car, you can't say me never want you. Alright, Sekki, here 1 5 bills, yeah. No man, put more upon that. Alright, Sekki, 5 more bills, yeah. Alright, do the right thing, better sure than unsure. Good night, nice lady. Come, let me walk to your car. There's some unscrupulous people in this world.
Oh, wow, you're such a gentleman.
Alright, look like we nearly reach your car. For me to walk the rest of the way to your car, you have to give me your number. Or else you can walk the rest of the dark place by yourself.
Really, Sekki? A daddy reach too?
Cause you know safety are the best cure.
You brute, you.
Yeah man, I doubt you for though. Give me your phone, let me call myself. Yo, what you deliver? You know anything you deliver, me have to check it out.
Yo, Johnny Bravo, cool man.
Who you call Johnny Bravo? You know see what my name? Security Guard. So me a god round here.
And the same thing we deliver every week, Sekki. Water.
Sekki, stop harassing people them and make them do them job now.
Hey girl Keisha, stop watch me and the monitor them and make me do my job. Me a Sekki, you a receptionist, so recep.